Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by checking prerequisites so the process flows. Make sure door TV and your phone or PC are on the same Wi-Fi. Weak signal causes lag. Next, open door TV settings and enable the Miracast or AirPlay option so it can accept connections. On your phone or PC, open the casting or screen mirroring menu now. This is where you initiate the link. Once done, look for the door TV name in the device list and tap to begin the connection process. Now you connect and fine-tune settings so content displays correctly. When your door TV appears in the device list, select it, then confirm the pairing or PIN prompt on the TV. Make sure to allow permissions for audio and screen sharing so sound and visuals transmit. If video looks stretched, adjust resolution or orientation in your casting settings. Many devices offer 720p, 1080p, or automatic modes. Once connected, test a short video to confirm audio sync, and to finish, stop mirroring from your phone, PC, or the door TV menu. This closes the session and frees the network. If the picture freezes or audio lags, first restart the TV, your device, or the Wi-Fi router to clear temporary issues. Make sure software and firmware are up to date. Outdated drivers often break compatibility. If wireless fails repeatedly, use a wired HDMI adapter as a reliable fallback. This avoids wireless interference and guarantees full resolution and stable audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.